Sign into CloudSee Drive. Select a drive to proceed. Click on the desired folder to view the folder contents. Click on a file. Click on the image. An expanded file preview will be displayed in a new modal pop-up window. You can adjust the zoom level for a better view. Select the Edit option to modify your file. Click the Update button to update the file information. Choose Rename to change the file's name. Enter the new name for the file and confirm. Click Download to save the file locally. Click Download to save the selected file. The image is downloaded successfully. Select Duplicate to create a copy of the file. A copy of the file was successfully created. Click Link to generate a shareable URL. Set expiration and copy the share link for distribution. Select Move to move the object to another folder. Choose the destination and click Move. Choose Delete to delete the file. Confirm file deletion. Navigate to the next or previous file in the folder. Exit the Expandable File Preview feature.